Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? I had something else planned for today, but I've had company of the better part of the day. So it's just kind of a video on the fly. It is what it is. I have been going through my pantry room, my preps, and I found a few things that need to go in the trash and to be tried to see if it's any good. These first ones I'm going to show you. These are mild peppers that I canned, 9/24/14. Now I know they're kind of old, but if you can see, let me see here. This one is a different color than this one. Can you see the difference in the colors? This one is a little bit lighter than this one. And then this one is a little bit darker than the other two. It's like steps, but they are all the same batch. Now I don't like peppers, so I'm going to have to give these to my daughter and son-in-law. Let them try them and see if they're still any good. If they're not, I'm going to tell them to pitch them, but give me back my jars. Give me back my jars. Okay, now this one is a real mystery. Guess what those are supposed to be? Those are carrots. This is 8/28/16. Yes, they were in a room with a little bit of moisture. That's why they're all... But it's still sealed. But they lost all the color. What's the deal? I have no idea. They lost all their color. And even the water that's in there is not even tinted. It's clear. You got me. Anyhow, this one I found. Well, now that I pushed it down, it's going to stay down, I guess. But these are grapefruit. Oh, there it went. See, I even knocked the lid off. Just to get the lid off, I just will show you this way. These are grapefruit that I got from Jana when I went out to Oregon in 2015. I don't know how long they've been not sealed, but this is just a reminder for us to check our seals. So that will be going in the trash. And this, I saw this video on YouTube, and I don't even remember who it was, and I thought, well, that's a really neat idea. Yeah, maybe not so much. You tell me what that is. That is banana puree of August of 2016. Now, I opened one of these a while back. That's why I've only got 3 left. But those all 3, I just did this as a test to find out if it would actually work. Look at that. Now, we're going to open it. But it will go in the trash, trust me. It was still sealed. Look at this. Nasty. Can you see that? Let me get me a spoon here. Yeah, I better get me a bowl or something too. Look at this. Nasty. I mean, it still smells okay, but It does. It does smell okay, but ooh. I'm not even going to try to taste it. And this that was on the top, it's kind of rubbery, but it'll still chop up pretty easy. But still, that was just nasty. Let's try to open another one. It's sealed pretty good. And same thing. Look at that. And there's that top again. That smells okay, but it's nasty. Look at this. Can you see how rubbery that is? I don't know, but I'll tell you what, I'm going to throw these 3 away. I think it's the last 3 I've got. And I will not be doing any more. I try to concentrate on stuff that I can't grow. And Lord knows I can't try bananas. But anyhow, I got something else to tell y'all too, as long as we're talking about preps here. Loss of preps, and it's so much time and effort put into these things that we can. And for it to go bad, or we don't know whether it's bad or good, you don't know how much time and money you're wasting. But speaking of waste, went into my pantry right here off the kitchen, and the other day I smelled a mouse. I was looking around because I knew I smelled it. I mean, it's not like a dead smell, but I could smell the mouse. And I looked down, and the little sucker was looking right straight at me. Was on one of the bottom shelves. And, of course, after he stared at me for a minute, he left. And I decided I was going to start looking in the pantry, and I started moving stuff out here on the table. And what a mess. Why can't they just concentrate and chew on one thing rather than going around everywhere and taking bites out of everything? I lost 2 bags of sugar, no, 2 bags of flour, 1 bag of pure cane sugar, something in a box. The corner was chewed out of it. And something else, I can't remember. But anyhow, it's just so much loss for a stupid little mouse. But I got revenge. I caught him on a trap that night. Or no, it was the next day. The next morning, or no, that night, I checked it before I went to bed. And he had taken the peanut butter off of there, but he didn't get caught. So I didn't move it. I left it. Next morning, I got up, and he was caught. So his little butt is in the trash. Yeah, I put him in a Ziploc bag so he won't smell up the trash. But I will take it out as soon as I can. It'll be Sunday night before I can move it out. That's why I put it in a Ziploc bag so it wouldn't smell. But I just wanted to remind you all to please go through your stuff periodically. It's been a while since I've been through my canned stuff, but I am starting to go through it, and even sorting and organizing and putting like things together. It's a never-ending battle for me. But anyhow, I just wanted to remind you all to check your preps. Make sure your jars are sealed. Oh, the box that I lost with this stuff out of the pantry was a box of cereal. But I just happened to remember that. But anyhow, I'm going to get off of here. That's today's video, and I will see you all tomorrow. Y'all take care, stay safe, and you have a really nice weekend. We'll talk to you later. Bye.